We're at Kings Park Library, and today we're talking about our telephone listening station. So our telephone listening station is part of a bigger program from StoryCorps' One Small Step. StoryCorps has been sharing people's stories for several years. One Small Step is a program through StoryCorps whose object is to bring people together who share different points of view for the purpose of dialogue and discussion, not debate, and to learn each other's stories in order to strengthen our communities. So Kings Park is one of 10 libraries chosen across the country to participate in the One Small Step program. So when you come into the library, you can pick up a phone and dial either 1, 2, or 3, and you'll hear a 2-minute recorded story. These are conversations of two people who don't know each other, but have gotten together for the purpose of sharing their points of view. They may not have the same beliefs, but they're trying to find common ground, common understanding through discussion. Libraries are community hubs, and so they're a perfect place for people to come together and meet in person and share their own stories and hopefully strengthen and build greater understandings. People who have participated have commented that they really appreciate the opportunity to meet people in their own community and have these deeper discussions, meaningful discussions in person. Well, we welcome you to Kings Park Library to check out our new listening station and also participate in our One Small Step conversations. Visit any Fairfax County Public Library to learn about their offerings for civics lab programming and displays and education.